Welcome to all of you. Here we discuss the important question from the subject Cosmetic Science. Let us start with the questions and their specific answers. Creams are basically emulsions. Next, acrylamide or dimethyl diallyl ammonium chloride copolymer is used as conditioner. Next, the other name for cold cream is cleansing cream. Next, which of the following test is performed for lipstick, that is breaking test? Next, emulsions are homogeneous system. Next, creams are opaque in nature. Next, one of the following forms is needed for the cosmetic manufacture, that is form 32. Next, the purpose of conditioning agent on shampoo is to bring moisture to the hair. Next, creaming in emulsions is governed by Stokes' law. Next, a plasticizer and a high boiling point solvent used in the preparation of nail lacquers are butyl stearate and ethyl lactate. Next, Aerosol is a type of jellies. Next, the constitution of betadine is 10% iodine in complex form. Next, the concentration of plasticizer in nail polish is 5%. Next, the amount of fatty substances in shaving cream is 30%. Next, flammability and combustibility of aerosol is determined by flash point and flame projection. Next, the main film forming agent in the nail polish is nitrocellulose. Next, aerosol is the reverse of liquid foam. Next, an example for colloidal system is solution of soap and proteins. Next, pastes are a form of ointment. Next, white sole is a type of emulsifying base. Next, which of the following is hydrophilic base for suppository, that is Macrogol and soft glycerin. Next, carbowax is a type of water-soluble base. Next, vegan is clay. Next, cold cream are W/O type borax cream. Next, auxiliary emulsifiers act by increasing the viscosity. Next, housing in aerosol container is made up of delrin. Next, ferrule in aerosol valve is for proper attachment of valve to the container. Next, stem in aerosol container is made up of nylon. Next, stable form of cocoa butter is having a melting point of 35 degrees centigrade. Next, which is also known as micellar solution, that is microemulsion. Next, boogies are used for urethral application. Next, which is also known as irreversible aggregation of globules, that is coalescence. Next, what can be used to determine type of the glycerides of the total fat, that is saponification value. Next, vanishing cream is an ointment that may be classified as water-soluble base. Next, paste is a semi-solid preparation which is a concentrated suspension. Next, an early sign of instability in emulsion is detected by appearance of bigger size globules. Next, auxiliary emulsifying agent stabilize the emulsion by adjusting the viscosity of continuous phase. Next, the numerical designation propellant 11 refer to trichloro monoflouoromethane. Next, actuators are normally used in the aerosols is to deliver aerosol in proper and desired form. Next, Antonov rules is applicable to slightly polar liquid against water. Next, theobromine is a type of suppository base that is oleaginous. Next, yield value is indicative of force of flocculation. Next, which of the following wax is used in the lipstick preparation? White beeswax, Candelilla wax and Ozokerite wax. Next, which of the following is used as humectant in dental preparation? That is sorbitol. Next, vanishing creams are also called because they disappear after rubbing application. Next, the most frequently used surfactant in shampoos are anionic surfactant. Next, the maximum pressure to be filled in plastic aerosol container is 25 psi. Next, the dip tube in the aerosol is generally made up of polypropylene. Next, the numerical designation of propellant butane is A17. Next, resins are used in the nail polish preparation to give film more gloss and adhesion. Next, which of the following is a semi-solid preparation? Those are creams, ointments and gels. Next, following is true for jellies. Non-greasy preparation, semi-solid in nature and used for medication and lubrication. Next, suppositories can be prepared by compression. Next, suppositories used for ear infection are called cones. Next, carbopoles are synthetic vinyl polymer with ionizable carbolyl group. Next, calcium soaps tend to produce water in oil emulsion. Next, spans and twins are polyoxyalkyl derivative. Next, dip tube in aerosol container is made up of polyethylene and polypropylene. Next, which allows escape of vaporized propellant along with liquid product, that is vapor tap. Next, which type of propellant is having the highest amount of propellant, that is spray. Next, which can be used to determine unesterified sites on glyceride molecule hydroxyl value. Next, gelling agent examples are pectin, sodium CMC and carbomer. Next, which is a hydrocarbon base? Soft paraffin. Next, solid fat index can be determined or characterized using the following: dilatometer. Next, tetrabromofluorocene produces what stand during the application on the lips? Bluish red. Next, which of the following is not molding related problem in lipstick, that is sweating? Next, Macrogol 1000 is the base used for the semi-solid dosage form. It is also called PEG20. Next, which is an example of cationic surfactant, that is benzalkonium chloride. Next, which of following technique are used to determine particle size of aerosol? Cascade impactor and light scatter decay. Next, which of the following is oleaginous base for suppository, cocoa butter, synthetic fat, and hydrogenated palm kernel oil. Next, different suspension can be compared by using quality control parameter, that is rheological evaluation. Next, Jezenius means ions having a charge opposite to the potential determining ions. Next, a blend between twin 20 and span 20 form which type of emulsion, that is oil in water. Next, depilatories are substance which removes hair without removing skin. Next, shrinkage of gel by extrusion of liquid is called syneresis. Next, the main application of foundation cream is to form a base for application of powder or makeup. Next, the major constituent in the aftershave lotion is alcohol. Next, which of the following technique is used to determine the particle size of aerosol, cascade impactor, and light scatter decay? Next, during storage, crystal growth is observed in a suspension due to flocculation in the ambient temperature. Next, which contain the highest amount of solid content, that is paste. Next, natural emulsifiers are acacia, sodium alginate, and agar. Next, solvent used with water to solubilize digitalis glycoside is ethanol. Next, following are the examples of oil in water type emulsion: milk, shaving cream, and vanishing cream. Next, for fastest absorption of a water insoluble drug, the critical factor is dissolution. Next, the temperature at which the solubility of the surfactant is equal to CMC is called Kraft point. Next, creep testing is applied to analyze the viscoelastic property of ointment. Next, addition of what to nail polish preparation improves flexibility and lasting power: acetylated monoglycerides. Next, structured vehicle is included in the formulation of a suspension in order to prevent the sedimentation of particles. Next, when the suspended particles are hydrophobic in nature, the formulation of suspension includes a wetting agent. Next, sequestrant are included in the shampoos to form complex with metal ion in shampoo and prevent formation of insoluble salt. Next, in the formulation development of emulsion and suspensions, what type of diameter is important? Stokes diameter. Next, displacement values are related to manufacturing of pessaries, suppositories. Next, in aerosol, for determining of density, the equipment is used Pycnometer. Next, following are not absorption base, non-emulsifiable base, and water in oil emulsion base. Next, addition of enough calcium chloride in emulsion stabilized by a soft solution causes phase inversion from oil in water to water in oil. Next, solid fat index can be used to recognize melting range, hardness, and amount of crystalline fat of the total base. Next, following is a clear liquid preparation containing a low solubility drug solubilized by means of proper solvent, usually alcohol, called Elixirs. Next, tube spacer in multi-dose inhaler is used for decreased systemic absorption of active ingredients. Next, vanishing cream is an ointment that may be classified as emulsion base. Next, sediments are formed slowly and leading to a hard cake in deflocculated suspension. Next, thioglycolic acid-like compounds have application in following type of cosmetic formulation: depilatory preparations. Next, the following combination of dye color are true: amaranth red color, indigo carmine blue color, and tartrazine yellow color. These combinations are true except erythrocene. Next, which of the following ideal requirement for suppository? It should melt at body temperature, compatible with large variety of drug, and melting point and solidification point should be close. Next, which of the following used as an anti-dandruff agent in shampoos? Zinc undesignate, cadmium sulfide, and selenium sulfide. Next, for aerosol formulation, cascade impactor is used for determining the particle size. Next, following is true for paste. Pastes are ointment. Paste contain high percentage of insoluble solids, and pastes are used for protective function. Next, following can be used as viscosity builders in ophthalmic solution: methyl cellulose, polyethylene glycol, and polyvinyl pyrrolidine. Next, while using sedimentation method for size analysis, addition of deflocculating agent to a suspension is necessary in order to prevent the aggregation. Next, which of the following are hair remover? Zinc sulfide, calcium sulfide, and arsenic trisulfide. Next, following is considered during the preparation of nasal drops to have little effect on ciliary action. It should be isoosmotic with nasal mucosal secretion. It should have pH on the acid side of neutral, and it should have viscosity similar to the nasal mucosa. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.